This liner can also stick your skin.
Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, finally I'm reviewing something interesting after a really long time, and yes, I'm talking about the new Vanta eyeliner plus lash adhesive by Swati Cosmetics. It's Swati Verma's makeup brand, who is one of my favorite makeup artists here in India. I've personally met her and she is amazing, and she's done an amazing job with this product. I'm sure this product is gonna be equally amazing, and yes, I'm super excited to try it out. So first things first, this is how I've received the product. Look at it, beautiful packaging, just like any other high-end brand. So you get a before lashes picture, then after lashes picture. So it says it's a 12-hour wear, waterproof, quick dry time, no messy glue, re-stick cable. So we'll look into all these points, but I'm super excited about the fact that finally somebody has launched a product like this, because this was needed, definitely needed. I cannot tell you guys for how long I have been looking for such a product. Now, talking about the price point, this product retails for 1875 INR, so it's somewhat around 1900 rupees. It's made in Sweden. You can order it online. I'll keep all the links in the description box. I feel it's priced decently because you get a product which does work of two products. So yeah, if you buy a good quality eyeliner and a good quality eyelash glue, then that would cost you somewhat around this price only. So let's just open it and see what's inside. This is how the product looks. It's all white in color. You get the brand name mentioned here. So let me just swatch it. Look at the tip, it's really thin, and you can create a very thin sleek liner. You can go for a thick liner, so it really depends on your mood, your liking, your need. कैसा भी liner हम इससे लगा सकते हैं, and it's just like a normal eyeliner, pen liner, but yeah, it's an eyelash adhesive as well, which is great. So yeah, this is how it's swatched, and also it's very black, as you can see. That's why they call it Vanta, which means the blackest of black. So it totally justifies the name. And let me just try to smudge it, and you can see it's smudge proof, which is great. And guys, I forgot to mention, I got these lashes as well, again from Swati Cosmetics. So it's their faux mink lashes in the style Marquina. So this is how the lashes look, and we'll be trying both these products. So yeah, let's just try it out and see how well it works. So let me draw a very sleek line just to stick the lashes. So we are using it as an eyelash adhesive. Here we have the lashes, which retail for 1300 rupees, which I feel is a bit on the pricey side. But let's see how they work, like how well they look. They're really high quality, good looking as well.
Wow, it's done, guys.
How easy that was. Like, how easy, and how quick was the application. Like within seconds it was on. So let's do a wing liner. I have a really thick wing liner, and let's see how well the lashes stick on this eye. So it's on, and look at how amazing it looks on the wing liner. These lashes look so good on wing liner. I'm just loving this eye. Let me know in the comments, आपको sleek liner वाली eye ज़्यादा अच्छी लगे या फिर wing liner. I am loving the wing liner look. And these lashes. So you guys just saw how quick the application was, how easy it was to apply. It's restickable, it's smudge proof, it's waterproof, and it won't spoil your eye makeup. It's latex free, there's no messy glue, and you can put on your lashes like this within seconds. The only thing you need to take care of is आप अगर ज़्यादा thick liner लगाओगे, so it can also stick your skin. Guys, forget about eyelashes. This liner can also stick your skin. Yeah, that's one thing you need to take care of. And if you're a beginner, just make sure आप carefully अपना wing liner लगाओ, because ये easily हटेगा नहीं. It's not very easy to take off. आपको अच्छे से makeup remover से हटाना पड़ेगा. So these are the two things that you need to take care of. Otherwise, I love this product. I think this is a must-have in everybody's vanity. If you're a makeup lover, you should have a product like this. And as we talked about the price point, it's decently priced, and you should invest in such a product. And yeah, that's all. I highly recommend it, and you can shop it from the link in the description box. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. And if you like this one, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.